Alright everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have a review here, a final. This one's a long time coming if you've been following along. I've been working on this one for quite a while. So this is the 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sterling Marlin Piedmont Airlines NASCAR. I feel like I should say NASCAR now. So this kit originally was the the Ernie Irvan Kodak card that was in the Monogram Kodak 2-pack, double pack, multi-pack, the Kodak set. So I did that one previously. I'll leave a link down below to that one. So I found the Piedmont Airlines one, Powerslide decals off of eBay. I went ahead and bought it. I should mention that when I bought this kit, the box was open and part of the roll cage was built already. So I finished building the roll cage, painted it the blue, did some little detailing on the inside, but it was kind of built already, and I don't think it was built properly. The car sits kind of a little goofy on there, but like this side for some reason sits really high. I don't know why. So it kind of leans downward a little bit. But other than that, we'll keep it on this side here. So the decals are Powerslide. They worked really well. The only problem I really had with them was the Goodyear tire lettering. I did the same process I always do, lay the decal down and then put the dull coat over it. But for some reason, the next day I went back to it, they were all curled. So I didn't have any more of the white decals on hand, so I just left the decals off. The stripe here goes across the top here, this blue, thin blue stripe. I did this side first originally, but I had put the 44 with the sponsor decal on there first, and it sat high, so the striping I had to cut around it. Did an artistic liberty there, and I think that looked really good. And then I took, because then the stripe's supposed to go all the way up to the top here, the window. It didn't go all the way to the top, so what I took out of there, I just fitted it up there, and I think that looked really good. So the other side, instead of putting the 44 on first with the sponsors, the 44 and the red white stripe here was all one decal. And then I put the blue stripe on, and then the blue stripe went right through it. So I was trying to cut it very carefully to do the same thing on the other side. And again, use the leftovers to reach the top there. You can see that one there. It's kind of see the overlap there. That's okay. I was a little disappointed here. I did the windows here. I always do those in Sharpie. When I put the glue dabs on and pushed the window in, it left a white mark around. I've never had that happen before. You can see the yellow of the plastic there and the white around. Never seen that happen before. Alright. So, other than that... Oh, then I should also mention, been following along if you haven't, I'll tell you, when I painted the hood, the white crackled and peeled. So I was able to sand it all down and repaint it and get the decal on there. That came out nice. But for some reason, whenever you do repaint something, probably could have put one more coat of white on there. It never seems to match up quite right with the other paint. Alright, well, let's just show you the engine here. Take that back off. Nothing special. Looks pretty good. I enjoy it. Underneath here, typical NASCAR chassis. I couldn't line up the header to the exhaust there, but that's what we got. Like I said, this could have been a cleaner build, but like I said, the roll cage was half built, and I just kind of went off of that. And I probably should have taken it all apart. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I love Powerslide decals. They're really great to work with. What's really cool is it came with two decal packages for the rear end there. Not the rear end, but underneath the wheels there. Behind the 44. Let's go with that. I went with the one that was on the sheet, unfortunately. There was a lot of Oldsmobile writing decals. I have no idea where the hell they went to. I put one on the dashboard on the inside there to kind of just use them up a little bit. So that's where we're at, the 1988 Oldsmobile NASCAR Sterling Marlin Piedmont Airlines. I love these old NASCAR kits. I love doing the Monogram kits. This was a lot of fun, even despite it being half built. So, spin it around one more time for you. There will be a slideshow at the end. Hey, I appreciate everybody. Oh, I should mention the paint, the white and the blue, is Tamiya paints. Alright everybody, stay tuned for a slideshow. Appreciate everybody watching. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. There's always stuff I'm working on. I really wish the car wasn't sitting sideways like that, all kind of crooked. Oh well. It is what it is. We'll display it this way. And that's what we'll see. Alright everybody, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, take care.